Hello, it's Daniel Browne here, or you can call me Dan. It's only really my mum that calls me Daniel, but hey, Dan Browne here. And I'm really excited to be attending this year's UK Hypnosis Convention and to be on the lineup of presenters. Now, I'm going to be presenting on how to be an LGBT plus affirmative therapist on Friday, the Friday afternoon in the Richmond room. Now, I'm really looking forward to seeing everyone there and connecting with people again and catching lots of other people's fantastic presentations and talks. It's always a really good event to be part of. Now, as for my presentation on how to be an LGBT plus affirmative therapist, we're going to cover lots of interesting topics such as terminology and different identities, some of the specific issues and challenges that the LGBT plus community face. We're also going to look at the joys of being LGBT as well. You know, it is possible to be LGBT plus and happy. LGBT plus people can thrive. And we're going to look at how you, as hypnotherapists or hypnotists, can be LGBT plus affirmative in your practice. You're going to find out everything that you need to know about working with the LGBT plus community. So I look forward to seeing you there at this year's UK Hypnosis Convention. Come along, get involved. Take care.